Imagine searching on Facebook by simply asking a question and getting answers rooted in real conversations from millions of users worldwide. Meta's breakthrough AI mode lets you tap into the knowledge hidden across public posts, groups, and even Reels. No more endless scrolling. Just ask in plain language and get synthesized answers based on what people are discussing right now. Meta is also rolling out advanced AI editing tools for creators and everyday users, making content creation effortless. Cut out elements from videos, add transition effects, and remix posts with stylish collages at the click of a button. AI photo presets let you instantly try new outfits, hairstyles, or accessories. Sports fans can transform photos with virtual jerseys using Wear It. Meta quietly unveiled Forum, a community-driven app with an AI Ask tab for instant answers, deepening engagement across platforms. Animated profile pictures, smart marketplace replies, and the AI Creator Assistant further enhance user interaction. Meta's strategy is clear. Make Facebook more useful, more fun, and much stickier, with exclusive premium AI features from $3.99 per month. By integrating AI into social media, Meta is shaping how we search, create, and connect. The possibilities are just unfolding. Whether you're a creator, tech enthusiast, or everyday user, get ready to experience Facebook reimagined. With AI mode, answers and creativity are always within reach.